7 minutes and 15 seconds. 7 and 15. Number 11, Peke. Tumira ulit. Nagawa niyo ito. So, isutan sa napakaganda ng ibig ng video niya ito. Number 2, Pateros. Pumasa sa kanyang malapit. Lay up ka na daw. Ayun! 3 seconds ng manok. TRP po. Pinasa mo. Nasundot ulo. Pateros. Number 2, ipinasa kay Benson. Sinalik sa numero 2. Naghanap kay Mr. King. Mr. King on the hook. Double shot by Mr. King. 2 points back. 6 and 30 seconds. Number 12. 6 and 30 seconds. Foul counted. Who's fouled? Who's fouled? Number 7. Bonus shot by number 4. 8-7 ang score natin in favor of Pateros. 8-7. All. Okay, shot na. Pang-isang deadlock. Deadlock 8. Deadlock. 6 and 10 seconds. 6 and 10. 27, Gumiro. Gumiro. 20 seconds ng Pateros. TRP na ba? Gumiro na ba? Wala. Bobby House. Kaya naman ito na ba? Easy lang daw sabi mo. Easy lang. Sabi na yung ginawa easy. Collaborate again kay Mr. King. Mr. King na ba? Lakuang nakagawa sila. Sino mo yung second? Pumalakaw. Libe. Wala. Numero 2. Pateros. Nadali na. Nasipitan. Kanya-kanyang hagod. Nagpapagay. Hayog ba rin na? Para ang SSS. Sina. Pasok. 2 points. Nalang ang all. Wala. Tungo. TRP ball. Subdivision. Mandatory subdivision. Balik ng 5. Mandatory subdivision. Pasok. Yung walang ipapasok, kung may napapasokin. Kasi wala. Si Brother. Number 7, si Brother. Brother. Number 19, balik po ng 18. Balik kayo ng 19 po. Okay, good. Back to basic. TRP. Nagdito, pinagbukan ko, itinasa ko. Pasang bulikan. 17, 2 minutes. Wonderful shot by TRP. Naman ang TRP. Naman na ito tumira. 13-10 score in favor of TRP. Pasok na mo 4. Wow! Dikit ka na may hati. Pasok. Number 4.
Ay!
50-10 up. Single. I'm up. Red. 5. Pateros. Four minutes and 24 seconds. Time differential. Score 10-15. All by in favor of TRP. Target range. Okay, shout out kay Brad Kiko at Kikay, ating official photographer as well. Welcome aboard sa ating mga DRRT. Marshall and Rox, sige po ha. Back to the order! Sige po, 19. Pateros, drinking the ball. 19, pinasa kay 20. 31, naghanap ng gagawin. Nagpapasahan, kinuha na. Tukti, pinasa kay Mr. King. Mr. King, no good. Oh, ay ito set, pinagawan. Juan Mr. King. Oh, nakuha sa'yo, nabito na. Save mo. Reset yun, reset. Tumilis, wala, kinapiyos. DRP ball. Time, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Ang score ay 10 over 15 in favor of DRP. DRP, drinking roll. Okay, pinasa balik up. Swerte ng teke. Tumagot pasok. Basic na basic na. 17-10, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Double. Oh, quick pass. Pasok. Ang TRP, wala na tayo na 29. By 29. 19 over 10. Ang TRP to favor. Pinili mo lang yung may Pateros. Kaya second shot clock. Ipinasa ang ganda basic number 2. 21-10 score. Ayan, pinasas na. Tumilis ulit. The Mr. Excitement. Mr. Excitement, what a pump. I think we're getting over back to back to back. Hindi nagkasundo sa sinupang sa isang. Ang oras, 2 minutes and 6 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Yung Adam, sige. Nagharap na mga pasahan. Ibigay mo na ipinasa kay Mr. Dean. Mr. Dean. Boss. Ipinasa kay Decision 1. What a little pass to number 29. With love. Nakuha ng Pateros. Pateros, ibigay mo. 1 and 37 seconds. 1 and 37. Oh, travel without authorization. 1 minute and 18 seconds. 1 and okay. Ipinasa nila pero betting mo Tumi na ng press bumukol, pasok! Basic lang, malaki na po kayo naman. Ang oras,
45 seconds.
Score, 27 and 10. Ang TRP. Tumira, pasok. Hook shot. May pagkasing hukot natin.
30 seconds.
30 seconds, ulit. Wala. Nakuha ng modelo siya.
20 seconds.
Pinasa. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Oh, foul. Sino po rin?
2-3.
2-3. Michael Jordan ang bang. Atreros. Two free throws. Number 4 of TRP.
Remaining time, 11 seconds.
11 seconds na po. Last shot. Kung sino mga bola. Wala. Rebound. 10.
5 seconds.
Counted. Oh, number first corner. Nakabunslong ang numero 11.
29.
Score is 29-12. Pateros taking time after putting the ball in the pass. Nasa wing. Nice to the middle. No good. Given by number 4 to TRP. Pass play towards the lead. Pag-isa. Lucas step with the foul. It's a Marco Polo move by TRP. Pateros. 9 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. 22 to shoot. 29-12 on score. Team 3, number 2, no good. Rebound by number 12, avoiding bola. Bruce Powell. Number 19, opening foul. Nine minutes and 12 seconds remaining. 20 to shoot. Dribbling the ball. Kick. Miss Kia. Rebound guy. Binatong bola. Agaw, number 29. Passing to number 12. From the right side. Side step, may foul. Dami foul, number 2. Sideline inbounds. 8 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. Number 2, second personal foul. Number 4. Taking 3. Magalang mga kapit, pinasa sa gilid, libre. No good. Agawan sa rebound. Pass to opportunity, number 2, Castillo. Nice into the middle, may foul tayo. Who's Powell? Number 11. First personal foul for number 11. Bonus, free throw. 2 free throws for number 2, Castillo. First step is good. Two first fouls for Castillo. 29-13 in favor of TRP. Castillo for the second attempt. No good. Good score. Pinasakay number 4. Foul. Who's Powell? Number 2. Down foul. 2 free throws. Third personal foul for number 2. 8 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Second attempt was good. 31-13. Hindi mo na ulitin. 31-13. Ayoko na ulitin. 31-13. Shot sa kaliwa. Kapos ng konti. Rebound by TRP. Nag-iisip ng pass pick. Hindi na ihagis na banda yung number 19. Matawag na kakampi. Number 29. Diretso. Brody. It's good. One a shot. 33-13. 7 minutes and 33 seconds remaining. Castillo. Bring the ball. Nagawin number 4. Number 19. Here's one play by number 19. Who's left? Number 29. Bonus free throw. Sana all may bonus. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 7 minutes and 23 seconds. Bonus free throw is good. 33-16. Thinking 3. No good. Number 2 rebound. Pass play 1-on-1. No good. Rebound by number 19.